Hi everyone, it's Kelly, and I am here from Not2shabby shop as a designer, and I got my design team package about a week ago, I think it was, and it came with this really cute card. It says Bliss on the front. It's a scallop with a circle, and then she stamped Bliss, and this little butterfly here in the background is embossed, and it's really a cute card. And Jamie says, here's your October design team stamp. Have fun. I hope you like it. And the stamp that I received was the new Saturated Canary, and she's called Windy Day. And she is just absolutely adorable, and I cannot wait to use her. And I wanted to kind of make a note here and mention that I wanted to use this as soon as I got it. However, when I received it, I noticed that it is unmounted. So I'm not sure if they're all unmounted, but I kind of wanted to make a little note here to let you guys know that if you do purchase the Saturated Canary stamps, I don't know if they're all like this, but they are unmounted. So I actually needed to go out and buy some easy mount, and this you can purchase at Michael's or you can purchase online. This actually was from an online store. Stampers Best also sells it, but I'm going to do just a quick tutorial to show you how to mount your unmounted stamps. So in case you want to order from Jamie's shop, the Saturated Canary stamps are all in, and if you order between now and October 31st and use the code Halloween, you get 10% off your order. So I definitely want to promote that sale for everyone to see, just because this adorable little Saturated Canary stamp is so cute. And you're going to want to head over there and check it out, especially with the discount. So code Halloween will get you 10% off. So I'm going to go ahead, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just basically frame this out here. Let me see if I can go down. Okay, so I'm just going to use my pen here, and I'm going to frame it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I've been working on my projects for the craft show, as I've already pretty much mentioned in my previous videos, so I have not got a lot of my design team projects done, but I hope to be working on more of those because I have a lot of things in mind. Okay, so I've cut it basically to the size that I'm going to use it as, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the adhesive here, and then just place it down. It doesn't have to be perfect because, again, I am going to cut around the image to give it a little bit of a better fit. I had a roller, but I'm not sure what I did with it. That would probably work better. I'm just gonna smush it down here like that. So then when you peel this part off, then you have your part that you put on your acrylic to be able to stamp. Let me show you. Oh, my stomach's growling. Guess I better go eat something. Okay, so this is basically how you have it, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut around this image here, but I'm not going to do that on screen. And then, like I said, you know, you remove the back, and that is the part that fits on your acrylic block. So again, check out Jamie's store. I'll have the link below and I'll have the coupon code below for Saturated Canary's Windy Day. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'm going to be back and show you the project that I'm going to create with this stamp. So thank you. Bye.